Have you ever looked at a tiny chia seed and wondered what all the fuss is about? These little guys might seem humble, but they are packed with incredible power. But here's the secret. To truly unlock their benefits, you can't just eat them dry. When they're dry, they're hard, a bit crunchy, and not very easy for your body to handle. But add a little water, and everything changes. When you soak chia seeds, they undergo a magical transformation. They absorb the water and form a soft, gel-like coating. This gel is the key. It's not just about making them easier to eat. This gel helps hydrate your body from the inside out. It's gentle on your stomach, making the nutrients much easier to absorb. And it works to cleanse and nourish your system. It's like a mini spa treatment for your insides. So, how do you do it? It's incredibly simple. For every 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, you'll want to add about 4 tablespoons of warm water. Give it a good stir right away. This is important because it prevents them from clumping together into one big lump. Then, just let them sit. In about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see the gel form, and they'll be ready to eat. If you prefer a thicker, more pudding-like texture, just let them soak for about 30 minutes, or even better, leave them in the fridge overnight. Want to supercharge your morning routine and save some precious time? Soak your chia seeds the night before. Just mix them with water, pop them in the fridge, and when you wake up, they'll be perfectly hydrated and ready to go. You can effortlessly stir them into your breakfast bowl, blend them into a smoothie, or even just add them to a glass of lemon water for a refreshing start to your day. It's a tiny step that makes a huge difference in how your morning flows. Once they're soaked, the possibilities are endless. They blend beautifully into almost anything. Add them to your smoothies for a fantastic boost of fiber that keeps you full and satisfied. Mix them into your yogurt or oatmeal for a wonderful texture and a nutritional punch. Or, like I mentioned, stir them into lemon water for a simple, refreshing detox drink. They're so versatile, gentle on your body, and deeply nourishing. Start your day with a spoonful of soaked chia seeds. It's more than just food. It's about letting a little piece of nature's wisdom work its magic. Remember, it all starts with these tiny seeds, but it leads to a big, positive transformation for your well-being. Give it a try and feel the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple health tips.